So lay it on me, man. How awesome was it when they did The Devil Goes Down to Georgia?
That is the Charlie Daniels band you're thinking of. This was actually a nitty-gritty dirt band laser show.
Huh.
No, it was really good.
Dude.
Somebody moved the fridge. We'd better move it or Roy's gonna flip out.
Schwartz will flip out. Working 10 years, quality control the Porta-John makes the guy pretty anal. What is that?
Logic tells us there can only be one thing. A ghost. A refrigerator ghost.
Refrigerator ghost, what are we gonna do?
I don't know. Damn it. If Roy were here, he would know what to do.
Roy would know what to do.
You remember that time with the spider?
Yeah, that was awesome.
Yeah, that was awesome. But Roy's not here right now. We need to think for ourselves. I have an idea.
Yes.
We will never go into the kitchen ever again until this just goes away.
That is a good plan, my friends.
Thank you. You hear that?
What?
Nothing. The moaning is over. I think it's safe to say that our haunting is over as well. Good job, my friend. Get some sleep. We've earned it.
Take out the recycling. Take out the recycling.
Take out the recycling!
What is going on?
I don't know.
Is it the ghost of Roy?
No. Yes.
Yeah. What are we gonna do?
Looks like you've got a problem of a spectral nature.
And now, that spectral nature has a problem.
Yeah, us.
Yeah, we got a problem. Our dead roommate is haunting us. As a ghost.
Any idea why your roommate would want to haunt you?
None. And we literally have no way of finding out.
True. We can't even find his body.
Well, that's your problem right there.
You've got a disinterred phantasm that's in need of a corporeal reconfiguration.
Classic. You, take the upstairs. You, take the basement. I'm gonna take the kitchen.
Oh, no. You don't want to go in the kitchen, dude.
Why?
Because it's haunted.
Yeah. It smells like a dead body in there.
Do you smell?
What?
I smell.
Body.
my professional opinion that the ghost in your house is whoever this man was.
And how this man happened to become decomposed in the matter of a week and become a mere skeleton? Well, that's a question I want nobody to address.
The reason you've been haunted is because these remains need a proper burial.
We'll take care of it.
Yeah. Yeah, we will take care of it. We'll take care of ourselves. For too long, we've been living like animals. Animals! And this is the result. Our dear friend and third of our rent is gone. For once, we're gonna do the right thing. We're gonna do the responsible thing. We're gonna do the respectable thing. Come on, buddy. Let's put her at rest.
Rest in peace.